Slide 1. Notification Overview. Welcome. Let's begin with the notification overview. Electronics Corporation of India Limited, or ECIL, a prestigious Miniratna under the Department of Atomic Energy, has released this recruitment notification. The organization is looking to hire dynamic and experienced personnel for contract-based roles, with an initial tenure of 1 year, extendable up to 4 years. The positions are based in Hyderabad and span across key sectors like defense, aerospace, nuclear energy, information technology, and more. Slide 2. Total vacancies. Now let's take a look at the total vacancies. Under Category 1, there are 50 posts for electronics mechanic, 30 for electrician, and 40 for fitter. Under Category 2, 1 vacancy is available for electronics mechanic, 2 for electricians, and 2 for fitters. That brings the total number of vacancies to 125. Slide 3. Application fee. Let's move on to the application fee. There is no application fee mentioned in this notification. However, candidates are advised to regularly check the official ECIL website for any updates or corrigenda regarding the fee. Slide 4. Important dates. Next, the important dates you need to remember. The online application process begins on the 26th of June, 2025, at 2 p.m. The last date to apply is the 7th of July, 2025, by 2 p.m. Please note that the cutoff date for age and experience calculations is the 31st of May 2025. Slide 5. Age limit. Moving on to age criteria. The upper age limit for unreserved candidates is 30 years. Relaxations apply: 3 years for OBC, 5 years for SC and Saint, and an additional 10 years for PWBD candidates. Those domiciled in Jammu and Kashmir during 1980 to 1989 will also get an extra 5 years relaxation. Slide 6. Qualification. Finally, let's talk about the qualifications and experience required. Candidates should have passed ITI with 2 years duration in the relevant trade. A minimum of 2 years post-qualification experience is required, specifically in manufacturing, production, testing, or repair of EVMs. Apprenticeship training of up to 1 year will also be considered as valid experience.